What's the halal way of approaching a girl you like? So this is more complicated. We've made it more complicated than the Sahaba. Don't complicate this. There's nothing indignified about that. Don't go date a girl now. And don't take, Nouman gave a lecture, I'm going to take you out to dinner. No. Not that either. But can you have respectful interaction with someone you're interested in for marriage? Absolutely. Absolutely. Nothing wrong with that. Can you take your time to understand each other's likes and dislikes? Yes, it's fine. Respectful courtship is okay. With parental guidance, in dignified fashion, there's nothing wrong with it. So what happens is we have two extremes. We have people that are more conservative than the Sahaba, and then we have people that are more liberal than liberals. Okay? And Islam is right in between. It's a natural way. It's a completely natural way. Okay? And so this is something that I thought it's important to mention for families and for yourself. Talk to your daughters. Ask if they like someone. Don't create between fathers and daughters, there should be open communication. They should not be terrified to tell you that they're interested in somebody. Don't force them to marry someone they don't want to. Don't force your daughters and tell them, if you don't marry this one, who's going to come and marry you? And for young men, the last bit of advice is for young men, become men. Earn a living. Be dignified. Don't offer like dates for mahar. The Sahaba used to give, what other thing are you a Sahabi? Other than the Kit Kat you want to give for mahar. You know. No. Be dignified. You know, earn a decent living for yourself. Don't say, I like her, I don't have a job, but I don't know, her family's only interested in dunya. Yeah, that's why we have mahar. Only interested in dunya. You're supposed to be concerned about dunya too. وَلَا تَنْسَ نَصِيبَكَ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا. It's in the Quran. Don't forget the portion you are owed in this life. It's a worldly decision too. It's not just a spiritual decision. How is somebody going to provide for my daughter? Where is she going to live? Is she going to live a decent life? These are respectable questions. These are decent questions. So these things we have to take very, very seriously in our communities.